Good morning! I just finished dressing up for the weather. It's kind of gloomy today and rainy because of the low pressure area. And hopefully hindi na siya mag-turn into a tropical cyclone. And yeah, I'm getting ready today to do some errands. And I just got this babies right here from TikTok shop. It's from Otuo. I've seen a lot of reviews and videos in TikTok about this product right here, and I'm going to test it today. I got here a Glow Lift Light Shadow Contour Stick, and then the other one is a concealer. So, kasi naiingit ako yun sa mga gumagawa ng parang, alam niyo yung sa TikTok, yung sa mga TikTok filter, there's this nose line right here, and I wanna give it a try in real life, hindi lang sa filter, and then also to do some contour, kasi nga, medyo lumalaki tayo, lumalaki din yung face, kaya kailangan natin siyang i-contour. And let's see kung if this baby right here from Otuo will do the work. Okay, here we go. This one is the Otuo Glow Lift Light Shadow Contour Stick. Tingnan natin. Paano ba ito buksan? Kung haba pa naman ang knees ko. Hirap nito. Ayun. Okay. Oh, diba? I don't know my shade, kaya parang I was just guessing. I think I got the shade number 4. So, eto siya. And then, for the concealer naman, let's open this, shall we? Paano ba ito buksan? Uy, wow! Ang ganda ng packaging ng Otuo, ha? Look. O, diba? Meron pa siyang paganong etchos, diba? Let's open this one. Paano ba ito buksan? Hirap pa lang. Ayun. So, for the concealer naman, I think I got the shade. Anong shade? Pakinggan ako. Oh, the shade that I got is HC03. Hirap pa masyado itong buksan. Pero talaga, I must say, ang ganda ng packaging ng Otuo. Pangmamahalin, pero very affordable yung price niya. Ayun. So, got here the concealer. Oh, wow! Ganda, oh! I love the packaging. Pangmamahalin to. Ayan. So, these are the items from Otuo that I ordered. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Sobra. From the box to the product itself, ang ganda. I love it. Mamahalin siya, but it's really not expensive. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box in case you, mga chingo, would love to try this also for yourself. So, okay, let's try this one muna. I think this is the highlighter, if I'm not mistaken, and this one is the parang yung contour stick. But I'm gonna do a lighter, paano ba to? Diyos ko, Lord. Sabi nila, dito daw. I don't know if I'm doing it right kasi parang pahirapan dito sa lighting. Tsaka medyo tabingi talaga yung nose ko in real life. So, I still have a lot of things to learn for this. Tama ba to? And then, I'm not gonna contour my face right now. Just a nose for now. Let's see. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? I'm gonna look for a brush. So, yung brush ko. Ito ba yun? I think this one. Yeah! Ayan. I'm gonna face the mirror na lang muna kasi and I'm gonna just show you guys the end result. For in fairness madali siyang i-blend and ilagay for a beginner like me na hindi talaga marunong mag nose contour. Ano ba itong ginagawa ko? Ewan ko, but yeah, here it is. Hindi pa ako ganyan kagaling. Yeah, I still have to learn a lot from this contouring the nose. Pero so far I really like na is very blendable at hindi siya nagmumukhang obvious sa skin. Yeah. Done so well. And then, lalagay yata yung, saan na yun? The next is the highlighter. So, lalagay yata sa center. Dito. Yun. Tapos, dito. Tama ba to? But so far, in terms of consistency, I like it. It's super nice. For beginners this is really a very good pang nose contour. So, ayan. What do you guys think? Diba? Ang ganda. Ang easy lang nitong gamitin. Thank you so much for this Otwo. You did a great job. For the smell, wala siyang smell which I really like. Kasi yung preference ko talaga, mas gusto ko either light scented or no scent at all. It's really rainy right now. I have lunch here. It's already the Christmas season. Grabe ang ulan, no? As in. So yeah, I'm here in Waterfront. Oh, by the way, this is the fit for today. Ayan, it's my shoes. And I got my sweater and my pants from Nike and also my shoes. And for my top, I got this in, what brand kaya to? H&M ba or Zara? But yeah, this is the fit for today. Kasi maulan sa labas. Let's see the menu. Okay, this is the one, Ani, Ashipasti. Ani, I think you can get the Affitati Mystic.
Does it come with cheese?
For the Affitati Mystic, you can get the steak, honey, and then you can share.
Yeah. Sirloin. Don't get the other one.
What do you mean?
Ribeye. It's not big though.
Okay. And then,
Or share the lasagna. Done with the split lasagna.
She might want to have it to eat rice, honey.
We'll order that and chicken. I'll say grocery chicken. Where's mine?
Place it there, oh, there. The sofa, honey. Place it there. So we're going Italian for today. How do you say good afternoon in Italian? Baka marunong sila. Paano mag-say na good afternoon? Welcome in your country. No?
I need you have a translator.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, let's search it. Yeah, wait. Let me just check. Let's check kung ano nga ba yung Italian ng good afternoon.
This one.
Buon pomeriggio.
Well, that's enough. You have a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Koreana. Sugar syrup. Thank you. Koreana. Ang YouTube channel is Koreana. K-O-R-I-A-N-A. So, I was able to search good afternoon. So, it's Buon
pomeriggio.
Ano yun?
Buon pomeriggio.
Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Wow! Buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Wow. Buon pomeriggio is like good afternoon. But kung pang sexy way of saying is buon pomeriggio. Wow! Ang lande. Just wait, so while we're waiting for our food, they're serving you right time this day.
Is Mimi back in school? Let's go.
She's here.
Did you bring her boyfriend?
Her boyfriend went back to Korea.
It's a holiday.
So I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree. So, dami naman binili. Oh, this is our Christmas tree. And hi, Rai! Say hi to the camera! Nag-asa sa amin. Hello! Ang dami na. I don't know if this would actually fit the It's really difficult if you have a partner na because you have to decide both kung ano yung theme. Yun yung struggle ko kanina. What's happening, ma'am? Yes, please. Wala. Baka naiwan ko yung advantage card ko. Kaya ang points mo. Wala man. 200 na. Sige. Oo. So,
Ang advantage card lang ang pwede ko dito sa'yo.
right now,
Oh.
I unfortunately left my SM Advantage card. Pero sayang yung points, so I'm getting a new one because it's only 200 pesos lang naman. So, yeah, I'm applying for a new one.